In this video, let me show you the process of adding in Linktree to TikTok. By adding in the link of Linktree, you can link multiple accounts and add it to your TikTok bio. So let me show you the quick process of doing it. First things first, head over to Linktree and get the link. Open up your Linktree and log into your account. Tap on the share option on the top right and tap on copy on the bottom, which is your link. Once the link has been copied, now you can open up TikTok. Now before you have an option to add in anything to your TikTok bio, you will need to have at least 1,000 followers. Only if you have 1,000 followers on your TikTok account, you will have an option of adding in the link. So if you have 1,000 followers, the second thing that you need to do is switch your account type to a business account. To do that, tap on the three lines on the top right, open up settings and privacy, and then open up account. Inside of account, you'll see an option of switch to business account. You can tap on that option and choose any category. Once your account has been switched to a business account, tap on edit profile. And right here next to email, you'll see an option of website. You can just open up the website option and paste in your Linktree that you just copied and tap on save on the top right. Once you save it, the Linktree link will be visible like this, and when someone taps on it, they will be directed to your Linktree and they will be able to view all of the links that you have attached on your Linktree. So that's the process of adding in Linktree to TikTok. Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.